Hello friends, recently I said that I am learning design systems, and today I want to walk you through what I have learned so far about components. We will start off with something very familiar, a button, and we'll build this using auto layout in Figma. First, to use an auto layout, you need to add a text layer and then apply an auto layout to that text layer by pressing either Shift plus A or Command plus A, either on your MacBook or on your Windows. This gives you a flexible button that you can always adjust the content anytime. Now let's turn this button into a component. You can do this from the right sidebar, or you can use a shortcut key. So for your Mac, you use Command plus Option plus K or Control plus Alt plus K on your Windows. It's very important to understand or note that components have 4 properties. We have variant, text, boolean, and instant swap. So we'll be starting this with variants. Just like the name suggests, variants allows you create different versions of an element. So think about a button with a default state, a hover state, and even primary or secondary styles all in one component. To create a variant, all you need to do is go to the properties panel and click on the plus icon and then select variant, and that's where the magic begins. After adding a variant to your button component, you can create multiple versions under the same component. To add more variants, simply click on the plus icon under the component. So for this example, we'd be creating a hover state, and to do this, we would add a stroke and we remove the fill from the button just to create a difference between both buttons. Now, just to be sure that everything is working correctly, you can drag out the main component or duplicate the main component. You'll notice that on the right sidebar, we have a property called instance. Just to clarify, I renamed mine to instance. By default, when you create a variant, it's called properties. But you can notice that there is one property on the property section for components. So using this property, you can now switch between the default state and the hover state directly from the side panel bar. And of course, you're not limited to just 2 variants. You can create more variants if you need. So again, we'll just to pass more example, we would be creating a tertiary button. Very simple. You just remove the stroke from this button just to show you that you can have more than one variant under a particular component. If this part is not so clear, please feel free to drop questions in the comment section.